hanggat buhay ka, may pinagagawa pa ang Diyos sa iyo. Hindi pa tapos si Lord sa iyo. Pag isip mo tapos sa si Lord, tatapusin ka niya. Nagkakaintindihan? As long as you are breathing, as long as you are alive, God has still a purpose for you and still wants to accomplish you something. But listen to this. Don't focus on your weakness. Focus on God's strength.